Hi guys, how you doing? Melo Trade here. Just another video with you guys, showing you what happened to Bitcoin during a New York session. Today we have a eventful day of trading. The decision they weren't as great that I was as great as I want them to be. The decision making, I'm still working on the decision making, but nonetheless. It was a couple trade to be taken. The execution wasn't as great, but nonetheless, there is a lot of opportunities today. So if you guys remember, I made the update video preparing before New York open, and basically we had on Bitcoin we were waiting for 618. We had 15 high and we had 15 low, and basically Asia just pumped us all the way at night. So if you guys remember, I was bullish on BTC, um, and I told you guys, and we had Ethereum here, and I told you guys I think Ethereum told us the tell, because 15 low on Ethereum was right here. So we could retrace all that. And I believe that was like a 4%. Um, Let me check here. Daily open. It was yeah, basically here. Yeah, that was like a 4 or 5%. And the tell was we did not make any structure here uh, for a nice market structure. We just went shut up. We made this and then this and then this and then boom. So the last low 15 was here, but I think I said in the video we shall see what happened, because basically we were rejecting out of this order block here, 618, um, the 15 high, the 15 low is very far. So it could tell us something, but I wasn't sure if it really told us something. Solana was way behind, guys. Um, we didn't even touch that order block. So, and the 15 on Solana, it was this low. So basically, um, I think I made the updated 830 right here just before that pump. So we still have the 15 high, 15 low, and we were playing inside. The SPY, it was structurally higher. Um, and the S&P, we have 15 low, 15 high. We're not breaking. So the Bitcoin, it was that 15 to take, the low, to structurally flip bearish, because the 1 hour high is right here. And as you guys know, I always go back to the 4 hour to check. And that 4 hour, um, let's delete that. That 4 hour, basically money flow, it was going to the red, guys. It's not is not something that I joke with. If you go to the hour daily, eh, it just we don't have time. Like it just going down. So like we don't have any curvature. So uh, according to structure 15 minute, we're going up. According to 1 hour, we still low until we break this one at 107.5. So yeah, I was looking here. You see, November. Yeah, that was Monday. What happened here? Let me see. Oh, that's the 1 hour. Let's go to the 15 minute. Are we out of the? Hmm. Yeah. So let's go back. Let's see what happened, guys, today. Let's go back to 9:30. Basically right here, and we go play by play, and we check what happened. As you guys know, we have some levels here: naked point of control, daily levels, single print, order blocks, um, some levels to go by. And let's go to 3 minutes. Let's see what happened. I was just checking, if you guys remember, I was checking the 3 minute structure. So the 3 minute structure over here, we have high. Basically, we have high, low, higher high. Basically, this is the higher low. We didn't quite made a higher high. We made a lower high, and we came back just to SFP, no close. But when we came back again, we made another lower high. So we didn't break that. And we came down here. We made another lower high, and we were about to break here. So I was looking at this structure. So that was the 3 minute to go, but I was looking at this one to uh, confirm the breakout of the 3 minute. Or we break to the upside on the 15 minute right here, and then we go. We still have resistance on the 618 here, but we were gonna take a look at it when we go there. But when we open, guys, um, at 9:30, basically I had this order block here to mark out. This order block was something that it was different between exchanges. So I'll show you. So on the USD, we had Bybit USD. We had this order block right here. If I go to Bybit USD, this was the order block right here. So when I see something like that diverge, guys, I don't take the trade, or I just stay to the monitoring it. I don't really, because I did it before, and it was a big mistake taking a trade when something like that happened, because one one basically one pair on one exchange take liquidity, other pair on other exchange didn't take liquidity. So they would always come back to it, always come back to it. So I stay monitor it just to see what happened. Market cipher on the 3 minute, guys, it was bleeding to the red, so it wasn't something that I'm looking at. The only thing I looked at market cipher here, it gave us the bearish diversion right here, and with basically money flow is pouring out. So I was not sure. They might made another wave of a bearish diversion, but this told me this is possible top. It could be a take of liquidity, it could be this predicted top, or something like happened. So I was waiting for the New York to open. So New York open, we went high with the volume. Okay, so it touched the order block, but it's not something that it went too high to close. It's not something that I would take. uh, it's already gone. You could, I don't know if you could take it, because invalidation here, basically um it was the first candle. Like, your reaction supposed to be very fast, but I had a touch, so I didn't have no real reaction, and it just went down from there. We SFP this one. I wasn't paying attention. Now the last order block here we had before the 15 low to break. So this was an order block I was gonna trade if the price gonna come back to it. And basically the price did came back to it and closes. Now let me see if I traded this. I'm not sure. I'm gonna look through here. No, I did not. No, it's not something that I did trade. I don't think so. No, but nonetheless, it was a. Let's try to trade this because we came to the last order block. Yes, structure is down. Probably that's why I did not trade it. But let's try it here. Invalidation basically to this low, and where you were gonna take it, because you're basically order block here. uh I have no idea where I was gonna take it, guys. That's the thing. I think that's why I did not take the trade, because where is your TP? If we break this high, now we break of structure, and I'm not sure we were gonna break of structure with this volume. So my TP1 basically just to throw run that low. I don't know if that worth it. Um, yeah, I don't know what. Yeah, I don't know if this worth it, guys. Uh, Basically 0.12%. I don't know. Now it's very sensitive. It tells me a lot of things that I don't want to know. 0.12 too. But let's try it here. Let's see if we got something out of it. So I would say yes, we got something out of it, guys. And again, it's the last order block, so I think it got respected here. So let's go to the 1 minute. Let's see. Yeah, so take profit one, stop loss to entry, and I guess to that low it was a great TP. It's not quite yet to this order block because uh you guys saw what happened. Let me put that back. So basically we did that, and we had this. So the last order block did not hold, but we got something out of it. Like that, what you got of it? Like to the retest the lows, not a quite taking this. So even if you want to do that, just front run that uh 3 minute block, and you would get something out of it. I'll pay attention in the future to it. But now, guys, we had a 15-minute break. We had that monumental bearish uh, red vector candle with high volume. It just took us out of that 15-minute. It's not something that you could have trade, and the next one just went bazooka, took out the single print, uh, close up top of it. I don't know if I would consider order blocks here because the structure was here. So basically now is just we had a structure break, and of course they left this order block hanging, and they will never come back to it. This order block basically got hit, guys, with this small touch. See that? Yeah, the small touch is gone. So nothing to trade here. It just Bart Simpson again on the 3 minute, up and down, zigzag the dig dack, whatever these guys with um, Elliott wave traders, the zigzag and big bag and chick chack. I don't know how they do it. It's very professional. Um, zigzag. Anyways, so we had nothing here. We put in a big wick here. It's nothing to really trade until you come back to this order block, but I don't think we were going to come back to it. It's too far. Sometimes it does. Yeah, so we kept doing this. We didn't make any high here. Yeah, we didn't make any high, and we were just coming back to the lows. We made that order block. That's a good size order block, nonetheless. This candle was 0.25. So I was waiting for that order block. I'm not sure it got hit. It did not get hit. So they made this order block now. And we closed basically above that. We had 618, 30-minute order block with red vector candle. And we basically closed outside of it, but below the 618. But we did not close above this wick. If we would have closed above 618, above this wick, maybe we go. We didn't do that. So I was cautious here. And let's see. So we swept again and we were coming up. We didn't touch that. Oh, wow. We did touch that order block, guys. Basically, I missed it. Or I'll tell you what was it. It was a touch that I don't like. I wanted more. Like, because I'm stretching the chart so much, I wanted more. And I was gonna take it. Plus, let me see. Are we? Yeah. Plus, we had the first, um, basically the first standard deviation. So I wasn't gonna short, but I wanted. If we had a bigger wick, not a bigger, just a little more, maybe point 0.02 more, 0.03 more, I would have taken it. But nonetheless, I know we were down. I don't remember if we went down after this. Invalidation, real invalidation is right here. Not real invalidation, tight is right here. But let's go with invalidation. And where I was gonna take it, of course, I was gonna take it to the low. That would be TP1. Let's see what happened. Okay, we came down right to it, right to the wire, and we took it. That would be TP1, stop loss to entry, and here you go, kicked out of the trade, and then we continuing. Anyways, it's not something that I took. Maybe it gave me another chance. I don't know. I have no idea if it gave me more chances. But I didn't take it. I didn't take it. So down we go again. So this order block was hit. We left, of course, this order block. That's what we do all the time. And we created this order block. And we just grinding downside. We basically ate that order block, no return. Mindless, we were basically we had a lot of buyers, I think, at the point of control of that order block, but it did not hold. Mm. Here we went down, we ate this order block, we closed under here. Um, of course, this order block's too far now, so it's not coming down to it. Um, let's see if I had an opportunity here. So this order block, we're still going down. Let's hide this guy. This guy got hit, and probably this guy got hit too. And here, guys, is the macro 618 from the low. So this has to hold uh, with the order block, but basically we closed into the order block. So I wasn't expecting it to hold. Nonetheless, yeah, we came down and now we're coming up. Did we touch that order block? Nope. Um, did we continue down? No, we made this order block, but we closed in it. And of course, we closed into that order block. So no trade here. We had I would call it a break of structure on the 3 minute. Very, very quick break of structure, to be honest. And I think nothing special here. Uh, yeah, so basically, this is one of the trade I took because we structurally down on the 15, like we don't have any close structure on the 15. If we go back to the 3 minute, we had break of structure here. I wanted to see if this order block, the supply, will hold. Now we did close into that order block, no problem. So no trade here. The next candle printed a doji. That means there is people fighting here. There's people shorting here. Not a lot of people, but there is people. And so we took the naked point of control. We took that point of control. Let's hide these. Naked point of control. So basically, I was watching the reaction on the next candle, and that would tell me uh, if I have a supply or not. So if we go back to the 1 minute, I believe uh, it was down. We closed in it. None. Now, if you guys see here, let's go back 3. If we pull the Fibonacci from that high to that low, we already rejecting from the 618. And then when I 786. So when I saw this coming down, eating that wick, I enter my trade here, guys. Just a quick trade, full TP at this order block, full TP. And invalidation here, I just want to take it because we broke structure here. I just wanted the retest. Now, I'll tell you what I did, like all the time. I entered the trade, it's come down, and then I put a stop loss to entry. So let's go back to the 1 minute. So basically, I entered a trade here. We went down. Yeah, stop loss to entry, and my target is here. And I think, did it take me out? Here I enter a trade at 11:36. 11:36. Yeah, it looks like that I think, okay, I see it now. I see it now. Let's go to the 15-second. Okay, here you go. So we had the initial push, and then we had the retrace, stop loss to entry, and then I closed the trade. I closed it. My decision was to close, not to put it. So I put it in this stop loss to entry, but my decision was to close it. What a such a bad decision, because we didn't came up to my entry and just went to the TP1. So, today it was a horrible indecision taking. Horrible. Like the thing I do today, and I took a couple of trades today, is not something that in the strategy is just something I saw the reaction on, and uh, it was horrible decision making, like just horrible. Nonetheless, this would be a TP1. Basically, TP2, it would be right here. I don't think, did we make a TP2? Did we? Yes, we did make a TP2. Thank you very much. So I should learn from my mistakes. Um, so we got this. It's not a quiet in the strategy. It's just something that I took um on a quick note. Uh, here we made this order block. Already we closed in it, so it's nothing that we do. We made this order block. We closed in it. Uh, this one, I think it was something that uh, mm, see that this what I don't like, because okay, so basically we had a break of structure on the 3 minute, and then we had a break of structure on 3 minute back again. So we're back to favoring shorts, because yeah, we had a break of structure, but it didn't hold. So we're back to bearish, and I had this order block marked right here. And where did we close? We just on the edge, so it's not something I would take. Basically, I take these to the lows, um, and it didn't work. This structure, guys, is just crazy, stupid structure. And I think, if I remember correctly, I did take a long here. Uh, a, like, let me see. Why did I take a long here again? Bam, 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 bam. I think it was this order block here. Quite maybe the reaction that I saw, but it came down. The next candle just came down, ate it, and we went. This structure was bad. This low took this low, and we were going. And okay, so when I saw that, I was talking to myself. I was like, this is higher low. we broke a structure here. Yes, we came back, but this low took that low, so we might gonna go up if we made an order block here. And we actually did made an order block right here, and we closed outside of it. So we made the order block, we came and we closed here. As soon as I saw this doji in red, the other exchanges, it took it in, it makes it blue. But when I saw it in red, I just took the trade, guys. I took the trade here. Invalidation, it was to the here, and I was just gonna take it to that 6-6 because we got 2 times rejected from that 6-6. I had an order block here. I wanted to take it to here, but it didn't happen, guys. I saw how strong this, you see that orange line? You got 1 rejected, 2, 3 wick, 4 wick right here. So I was just gonna take it to the wick. I don't care. I was just gonna take it to that wick. And it went up a little bit. It went more up. I think I had a TP2 here. It took that TP2. And what happened after? Just remember, I told you, on other exchanges, this was blue. So this was an order block. So this is the order block. And according to other exchanges, we didn't come back to it, just to the USD. So we went up, and what did happen after? We came back to that order block right here. And when we came back to that order block, let me see here. So yeah, so at 1222, yeah, so 1222, 1227, 1222, and 1251. Yeah, so basically when we came back to that order block, I took that again. I saw the reaction here. I said, no bueno. Let me take that again. Invalidation. Now this is real invalidation right now. And I just took a profit, TP1, at this line again. I don't care, guys. I know I'm leaving a lot of money on the table, but I know. And I'll tell you, let's delete that. Like, you see that? We made an order block here. Watch what happened. And I got frustrated when this happened. So TP1 hit. TP2 just front run that order block. I even front run that order block. But look, I should have front run it even more. Look, we didn't take it. And what happened next? To the entry. Here. And at that time when this happened, guys, it just made me, I think I did 217. Yeah, so I was, so this held again, but we closed in it, so it's not a something that I would take. So I was waiting for this order block or this order block. You know what I missed, guys? I missed this one. So you see that order block? We closed nicely in it, underneath it, but I didn't take that. I don't know where was I, but I missed that, and I saw it after time. Anyways, So we had this order block basically here, and we closing it, nothing. And here, this small order block did not get respected. We left this order block, and now structure is bearish, still bearish. Like structure is still to the downside. Um, Nothing happened, and we had that stupid go to the low order block here. I think I tried at 217. So I think, yeah, I think I tried this one here. Uh, it came to my but it came to my entry and took me out. So it's nothing. It's not something that I would have show you guys. Yeah, it just came up to my entry. I should have just left it above this wick. But so far, as of right now, guys, I had to leave at the trading early. So at 2:30, I just closed trading. I had to leave. I had something to do. So I'm just gonna um continue checking the chart with you guys, because I really don't know what happened after. I know we took that low that everybody was talking about. It was gone here. No really break. So we made that order block, and we left a lot of order blocks, guys. We left all these unmitigated order blocks. So I'm assuming all this liquidity, I'm assuming we're going to come back to it. We keep leaving the liquidity, and we're just chilling here. So let's see, this gone. Now here, we basically, we didn't make any break of structure, and this is your last high you can go to, or this is internally, so you can go um I would say this is the safe high, because there's another order block there. But nonetheless, if I was there, I would attempt that. Let's see if we attempted, what would have happened. Real invalidation, you could have go here. I wouldn't hate it. Safe one is right here, because you have the break of structure happen here. Um, and I was gonna take it where I was gonna take it. Melo, right here. I wasn't gonna take it more than TP1 here. Um, we're reclaiming the, yeah, we front 1786, but we're reclaiming the daily now. We're above this volume level. So I would have just take it to here, maybe even here. I'm not sure, but I like this one more. Let's see. Yeah, if I would have put it here, it would have be TP hit already. Let's see. Yeah, see that exactly what yeah, it would have happened. It's a nice trade. This one would have make me go crazy, because that what this candle makes me crazy. Just hit that volume level. So I would say like, oh, I better just take the TP here. But nonetheless, this is the right order block to take it, and it did it. It could have go to my entry first, but this one did it. Next TP, I would have go just right here. Front run the deviation, front run that block, and no stop loss to entry. So they took me out. And as of right now, this would make the structure change right here. This is the break. So yeah, it was just a jump, came back for retest, and we broke in here. So that would be a nice trade nonetheless. Let's continue here. So this order block is gone, and now we're gonna count order block to the downside, basically 3-minute break bullishly. We have even this one to count. Um, did we have a nice one here? No. So did we have a touch here? Yeah, we had a touch. Oh my god, this touch is crazy. Anyways, we close into that order block. We're breaking bullish, so all these order block is weaker now. Yeah, we touched that one. Nonetheless, we had the bounce. We made another one here. Let's see. If we would have come back here, I would attempt it. Now, this one, I wasn't sure if I'm going to attempt that one. But the breaking structure, it looks attemptable. Like you could real structure right here, real invalidation, and I was just gonna take it to front run. So I'm gonna take it to that wick. Front run that order block again. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but that would be the invalidation right here. So we came back and we played with my nerve, and then we came positive again, and it would make me crazy. I know it would make me crazy. I know. What time is it now? Oh, after 5. Nice. And then it went. Beautiful. So this shit, I had to wait from 3, basically 30, all the way to 6 o'clock just to make that stupid trade. And basically that would be the nicer trade right here. Looks like this order block um this order block held the right way, not this shit, not this shit touch. I hate this. I hate this when it happens. But oh my god, even this one is shit. Oh my god. But maybe it gave me another I like this one. You see that one? Like, why would you not give me, let's count that. What is it? Point one. Bro, give me point one. Um, so I think it gave you another chance to come in here. Uh, First TP, it would be to this order block here. So basically from here, front run this TP. So yeah, base hit. Uh, Even this one held. This would be the nicer one if we ever came back to it. This is just weak now. I don't know what time is it now. It's oh, it's 7:20. Yeah, it's 7:20. We didn't hit that order block, so I would attempt that order block if it came to it. This is the last order block before we hit. We did not break on a 15-minute, guys. Not even on the 12-minute. Money flow is start pouring on the 12-minute. No good. Let's check the money flow on the 15-minute. It's better. I'll show you on the 12-minute. Money flow on 12 minutes is horrible. And something that I trade is 3, 6, 12, and 24 minutes. It's better than 5, 15, and 30 for me. Clearer signal it give me. So that money flow right there. If we go to the 24 minute, would you say this is held? I would say this held because we need to break that high right here on the 24, and that high at 102 as of right now. Yeah, it's not too far. I don't know if we're gonna go to it. Maybe Asia can push us again to the upside and New York to the downside. It's been like that forever. So I don't know. Let's see what is these order block. I put this order block just to remind me that I took trade. Did we talk about this trade? Yeah, we did talk about this trade that I took on the doji. Did we talk about this one? No, we didn't talk about this one. Yeah, we did. We did talk about this reaction right here. It's gonna take me to that first and invalidation. So I closed it early when we wicked back here on 3 minutes. You don't see it, but we came close and I closed it. So again, something that I'm working on is like leaving stop loss at invalidation until TP hit, just like what happened here. Um, like after all that, you're trading with structure, guys. Like when you trade with structure, you have a percentage to win. So yeah, you did a pisty here, but no, it's not something that I would do it. Invalidation. So it gave you, where did I take the trade? So on this order block, second attempt, um, I would take it to this right here, even if this order block from ran. So yeah, invalidation, it came back. Oh, whatever. Did it do that? Did I take that or not here? Where did I took that last one with you? Not took it, but where did we check that it was valid to take? Yeah, it was this one. Yeah, right here. So we cruised. No, I would have TP1, it would be here for sure if I would have taken that one. The other one that I took, maybe TP2, I said. I don't remember what I said. Jesus, I'm that old. But yeah, I don't remember. But if I would have take that trade, validation here, I would have take TP1 basically here. Yeah, shed profit. I know. And maybe kick it up to the high. Even this one is better. Maybe to this order block. Yeah, where was it? I don't remember. We just made it here. Did we say this one? No trade. This one. Yeah, it was this one. So we went to the positive right away, but I remember we went negative and stuff. Yeah, I don't remember. Anyways, guys, that's what I have for today. Melo Trade. If you like the content, subscribe, press a like, I'll try to be every day giving you an update before the market and a live after the market, and we go from there. Ciao for now. Melo trade with you to the next one. Bye bye.